Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician, and today I'm going to talk to you about wrinkles, injectables, getting older, what are you going to do to your face? Why does my face look like this? Different questions that we ask ourselves just about every day. It's fun for me too. I love to watch different YouTube videos and get different thoughts from other people about the products that they suggest or procedures they suggest. And I just thought I'd share with you my own thoughts. The thing that for me, I've been online for 30 years and my skin still looks good. I don't use injectables, I don't use fillers, I just use skincare products. And I like that because I'm growing older naturally, not because of something I put in my face. And one of the things that I find very interesting right now is the young people that start using injectables on their face are so young, 30s, 20s, and they're already have a wrinkle and they go in and get it injected so that it can go away. But all you're doing on that is just paralyzing that area so that the wrinkle doesn't show. And that's not really something that you're not improving it. You're improving the looks of it, but you're not really doing any good for your skin or, down the way. Because you fast forward 20 years, 30 years, your skin is not looking any better. And actually, in the long run, you're probably aging your skin doing that. So why not do the right skincare products and look better naturally and for a lot less money too? So one of my favorite lines, which I've talked about before, and before I say that, if you ask me what is your favorite ingredient, I would say peptides. I love peptides. There's fabulous products out there that even your skin tone, take away your pigmentation, a lot of different things. Some of them will firm you and tone you, but peptides literally soften up the wrinkles in time and they just flatten out. And that's what Viktoria de Ann does. I probably use that longer than just about anybody. There's a few of us out there that have used it well over 10 years. And I feel like my face speaks for what it does for you. But wrinkles, for example, when you have wrinkles and you're just using an injectable, it just smooths it out, and then in about anywhere from 2, 3, 4 months, you have to go back and get it done again. Now, when you're using Viktoria de Ann and your peptides, and I use them twice a day. You can get to the point if you want to do them once a day, but I highly recommend starting them with twice a day. But if you continue that, you're going to look good, and you're going to keep looking good. And the longer you use them, the better you look, and that is the truth. So, that's what I want to talk to you about now. A really important thing with wrinkles is you need fat. You need fat. And as you get older, your fat depletes in your face. And that's, again, with injectables, that's not helping your fat at all. But with the, one of my favorite products, Peptide, what this does, it helps repair your fat pad area. So if you've had fat taken out from surgery, it's not going to help that, but it helps restore the natural fat pads in your skin. And that's why, for me, if I put it on a wrinkle, my wrinkle goes away. Not overnight, but it starts going away. My cheeks are where they belong. I have a very, very firm face. I don't have flaccid or elasticity problems. I don't have that. And why is that? It's because of the products. So you want to increase your fat pads. That is so, so important. So that's key. And then also they have other products like the Procol, which helps restore broken down collagen. And then there are basics like the Pepti Peptitone. But the other good news is that Viktoria de Ann has just recently increased their peptides in their products. They were already fabulous, and in my perception, perfect, but they've increased the peptides in them. Some of them have up to like 4 extra peptides that they put now, so you're getting much more enhanced results. And I'm just so excited about that. And for example, too, like their Pepti Repair, you get such intense repairing on that now, much more so than before, which is another key product to help repair your skin. But for now, I'm kind of pretty much, I want to keep on the Pepti pad, but you want to restore your fat pads, and that in turn is going to help with the wrinkles, because if you don't help with your fat pads or your collagen, you're going to have like the broken down collagen, you're going to have a little bit of collagen, then nothing, and then a little bit of collagen, and then nothing. And that's what makes your wrinkles, you know, especially around here, when you see that with people, it's like fat, no fat, fat, no fat. And it just, then you get all wrinkled in there and you wonder why. That's because you don't have fat pads in that area. So if I were you, I would use this twice a day in that area, and even on your lips also. And I use it on my eyebrows, on my whole, actually I do it on my whole face. I put it on my eyebrows and under here. It helps, like if you get hollow under here, this helps smooth that area, make it look nice. Now, wouldn't you rather do that than go in and get injectables every 3 to 6 months? Because even as many doctors, I mean, of course they'll do that, but they're going to tell you the same thing. You know, if you use Botox for years and years, you're not doing anything except going in and paralyzing the wrinkle. That's all you're doing. Where with this, you're increasing your fat pad and making your face look good. So I could go on and on with this and I probably will, but I just love the results, and I wish it all for you, especially you young people now starting out. I know when I was your age, and my mother would say, don't go in the sun, and don't do this, and don't do that. I go, Mom, what do you know? You don't know anything. But she was right. That's the one thing I wish I would have never gone in the sun. I'm from the days of abusing your skin in the sun, and I'm still reaping the repercussions of it, because everything that happens to your skin when you're older is because of what you did when you were younger. So I would get on the right products and slowly try to get off your injectables, or, you know, even fillers too, because fillers are going to fill you up, and then it goes down, fill you up, goes down. And in time, your elasticity is not going to be the same as it were if you were using a product that helped your fat pads or your collagen. And you really need to think about that. So I've got on my website, you can go down there. I've added the new ingredients on my website, and I'll have the link below if you have any questions on that, because it's so much easier for you to read it than me to sit here and tell you what each one of them are. And if you have any questions, you know, I look forward to hearing from you. You can call me on my toll-free number, and you can send me an email. You know, I'm just really happy to help you. And I love to make you feel better. I love to make you look better and improve your skin. And I have so many clients that just have had remarkable results. And they're so happy, you know, to have your husband say, gosh, honey, you look so much younger than you did. And that's what you want to hear. And I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.